Sadik Al-Hassan.
Madam Deputy Speaker, I greatly welcome the progress of this vital bill that will help ensure the United Kingdom takes a genuine global lead in the development and use of sustainable aviation fuel. Sustainable aviation fuel is the key to solving many of the challenges we face today and those we will face in the decades to come. Aviation currently accounts for around 7% of the UK's total emissions, and as demand for travel continues to grow, that figure will only rise unless we act now. So if we are to meet our net zero commitments while keeping flying affordable and accessible, then sustainable aviation fuel must be at the heart of our strategy. It offers one of the most practical and immediate ways to decarbonise flight, reduce our reliance on fossil fuels and secure the economic future of one of Britain's most successful industries. That is why this bill is so essential for our environment, for our economy, our technological leadership and the future of British aviation. I would like to draw attention to the £4.5 million investment by Exolum in the existing Redcliffe Bay facility in my constituency of North Somerset, which is already happening without the need for new Clause 1. The home of the UK's first independent sustainable aviation fuel blending facility, when it becomes operational in 2026, it will underpin green fuel supplies for some 65,000 flights to major airports, including Heathrow, Gatwick, Cardiff and, of course, Bristol Airport. Of course, happy to give way.
I'm very grateful to Honourable Friend for giving way. He's made a very powerful point. But would he share with me my thanks to the member for Stockton North and his predecessor, Alex Cunningham, for securing the Alphanar investment in that constituency, and indeed the member for Redcar and Cleveland securing the investment there at the Wilton International Centre, which will lead to many, many hundreds of secure permanent jobs.
My honourable friend is, of course, right to highlight such advocacy in the sector, and I welcome his contribution. The project is not just a boost for our regional economy, it is a clear signal that the UK can combine its climate ambition with sound industrial strategy. The production subsidies for SAF introduced by this bill are therefore a already very welcome and right step forward. But, of course, production plants are only as good as their ability to get their product to the market. Without that capability, they cannot attract the investment or access the very subsidies this bill rightly establishes. Fortunately, the UK is blessed with an extensive aviation fuel pipeline and storage network, one of the most advanced in the world. Companies like Exolum are already using that network to deliver cleaner fuels across the country. From my visits to Redcliffe Bay, I know that Exolum has additional storage capacity it would like to bring back into use to help deliver even more SAF. Companies at the forefront of this shift, such as Exolum, must be supported to deliver further investment in my constituency and other sites at Redcliffe Bay and across its national pipeline network to create a new SAF superhighway for the UK. Such a network would allow producers to get their fuel to market efficiently and secure our long-term position as a global leader in green aviation. Crucially, of course, my constituency of North Somerset is also home to Bristol Airport, which has demonstrated real leadership in the sector. In March this year, almost a year ahead of the government's mandate, Jet2 began operating flights from Bristol Airport using SAF and cutting emissions by an impressive 70%. However, our ambitions for cleaner flights cannot stop at SAF. Bristol Airport's same leadership can and should be applied to hydrogen in aviation, ensuring the South West continues to lead the UK's journey to greener skies. Hydrogen is a key element of the future aviation landscape and the broader energy transition. And as we stand at the crossroads and decide which industries and technologies to support, we must not overlook the infrastructure that will support hydrogen tomorrow. It is its supply chain, its production and its distribution. Investment in hydrogen benefit both the industries of today and the industries of 2050. But that investment requires certainty. Certainty that only government direction and leadership can provide via a roadmap already laid out in this bill. I believe deeply in the potential of hydrogen, and I'm proud that the South West, we are uniquely positioned to take advantage of this opportunity. We have world-class research facilities, like those I visited at the University of Bath, innovative SMEs, such as HyFlux in North Somerset, and a cluster of industries already looking to the hydrogen future. For my constituents in North Somerset, this bill, in its current form, delivers both cleaner skies and sustainable future for a vital industry. Looking ahead to hydrogen in aviation, the opportunities are particularly exciting for our region. The research, development, production and infrastructure required for hydrogen fuel are rightfully taking root in the southwest, near Bristol, the home of AI, in the UK, with a fantastic mayor, Helen Godwin, creating jobs, driving innovation and positioning us at the forefront of this emerging technology. This bill is not merely climate policy. It is economic strategy, industrial ambition, and national leadership combined. Sustainable aviation fuels are essential to the survival of our aviation industry, but let us not allow our ambition to cease there. Hydrogen represents another key to unlocking our sustainable future in the UK, and this bill provides us learnings we will need to make hydrogen in aviation a reality. Thank you.